This instructional video covers the recommended procedures for cleaning your whipped cream dispenser. Before you begin, make sure you have the following items: buckets, non-metallic pointy tool, supplied cleaning brushes, cleaning solution, sanitizing solution. Start by removing the cream container from the machine and disposing of any excess product. Pour detergent water at ambient temperatures into the cream container up to half of its capacity. Place the empty cream container back in the hopper. Place a container under the dispensing faucet to catch the water as it's dispensed. Press and hold the P3 dispensing button to drain the detergent water. It's now time to disassemble the dispenser. Start by pressing the on-off button to turn the machine off. As you do so, inspect the dispenser for worn or broken parts. If you find any, they should be replaced. Remove the cream aspiration tube, fixing rod, air regulating assembly, and cream container from the dispenser. Next, you'll need to disassemble the dispensing tap. Turn the tap clockwise to remove it from the machine. Take out the labyrinth tube and labyrinth. Place the nozzle on the counter and remove the cream dispenser using the fixing rod. Unscrew the air regulator adjustment knob from the air regulator. Remove the air valve from the air regulator and gently pull apart. You are now ready to remove O-rings. Remove the O-rings on the following items using the pointed tool supplied with the machine. As you remove the O-rings, make sure you are not damaging the seating, the suction pipe, the suction connection, the labyrinth, the air regulator, both sides of the air valve. Each part needs to be clean, sanitized, and air-dried before reassembly. The following procedure is a general guideline only. Be sure to consult your local and state health codes for the procedures required in your area. Place all parts in 90 to 110 degree Fahrenheit mild detergent water and wash thoroughly. Use the supplied cleaning brushes to clean all holes of the removed parts, including the air valve, labyrinth, labyrinth tube, air regulator's body, and valve sockets. Rinse all parts with clean 90 to 110 degree Fahrenheit water. Place all parts in a sanitizing solution for at least 1 minute, then remove and let air dry completely before reassembly. Use a detergent solution and the small barrel brush provided to clean the holes of the body pump by dipping the brush in the solution and brushing the inside of the holes. The exterior of the dispenser should be kept clean at all times to preserve the luster of the stainless steel. A high grade of stainless steel has been used on the dispenser to ease cleanup. To remove spilled or dried mix, wash the exterior with mild 90 degree to 110 degree Fahrenheit detergent water and wipe dry. Do not use highly abrasive materials as they will mar the finish. A mild alkaline cleaner is recommended, as is a soft cloth or sponge. For best results, wipe with the grain of the stainless steel. Start by placing the O-rings back on the machine parts. If you need to replace any old or worn-out gaskets, make sure the new ones are genuine gaskets made of food-compatible rubber. Be sure to lubricate new gaskets with food-compatible grease and fit them on. Affix the cream dispenser onto the dispensing tap by turning clockwise until it's secure with the help of the fixing rod, and being careful not to cross-thread. Assemble both sides of the air valve. Insert air valve into the air regulator. Screw air regulator knob onto the air regulator. Next, place the air regulator body on the pump and turn clockwise to secure. Insert the cream aspiration tube into the hole of the air regulator, ensuring it fixes properly to the air regulator. Place cream container into the hopper and rotate the aspiration tube into the cream container. Next, insert the labyrinth into the hole on the outlet tube and insert the fixing end of the labyrinth in the pump cover. Insert the fixing rod in the hole of the pump cover and the labyrinth tube into the hole on the outlet tube. Next, place the assembled nozzle onto the outlet tube, rotating it counterclockwise until it locks into place. Your dispenser is now ready for storage or sanitizing for use. To learn more about your whipped cream dispenser, visit us online at stoeltingfoodservice.com.